In this video, we're going to take a look at the Renko Optimiser in action on the NinjaTrader 7 platform. And what I've got set up here are four different markets. We've got in the top left here, we've got the Aussie dollar, so we've got spot Forex there. Alongside that, we've got the equivalent of the futures contract for the Aussie, the 6A. Down at the bottom left, we've got an index future. This is the YM, the mini Dow. And over on the right-hand side, we've got the oil futures WTI contract here running on the bottom right. So four different markets with the Renko Optimiser running on all four. And perhaps if we start with oil, let's just pop this open full size. And we've had this nice run up. And as you can see up at the top left here, the setting at the moment for the Renko is 11. And as we're running on an oil contract, which is quoted in dollars per barrel, so at the moment, the contract is trading at 69.75 per barrel. What the 11 refers to is that each brick here is worth 11 cents of price move. And if we want to change that, you can see up here, it says, please switch to a time chart to calculate the best Renko box size. Now, if we want to move around the time frames, let's say we go to a 2-minute selection, that's telling us that we're going to open an 11 brick Renko chart. In other words, what we're running here is on a 2-minute equivalent with 11 cents on the move. So if we just click on that, that will open the 11 cents brick size for the contract. And if we want to increase that a little bit, let's say we go up to the 5-minute time frame. And again, up here, you can see it says click here to open a 17 brick Renko chart. We click on that. And immediately what we're confronted with here is our 17 brick, which in other words is equivalent to 17 cents per barrel on the move. And that's how easy it is to switch from time frames in terms of selection of your preferred brick size, which is automatically calculated for you using the average true range calculation, which goes on behind the scenes, of course. Now, it doesn't matter what particular market you attach the Renko to, it would automatically prescribe the setting for that particular market. So if we go up here, for example, to the spot Forex market, here obviously we're dealing in pips, and as you can see on the left-hand side here, we're running with a 2 Renko at the moment, so what we're dealing with here is 2 pips per brick. If we wanted to increase that, perhaps, let's say we go to a 5-minute time horizon, and here we go, it says click here to open a 5 brick Renko. So what we're running on now in terms of the Aussie dollar on the spot market is we are running with a 5 pip range on the brick. The same would apply obviously to the futures contract on the right, the 6A, and finally let's just pop open the index future here, which is currently running at an 11 spacing for the Renko, for the brick. And that means that we're running at 11 index points because this is quoted obviously as an index future. The contract is currently trading around the 25,105, 106, 107. So each of these bricks here constitutes an 11 index range. If we wanted to increase that, we could go to a slower time frame, perhaps down to the 5. And as you can see here, now we're getting an 18 brick size for our Renko. Now, one of the other beauties of running the Renko indicator is also that you can apply either standard indicators or other quantum indicators to the Renko chart itself. And in order to do that, very straightforward, as you would indeed on any other chart. Let's just add on some of the quantums here. We'll add on the trend monitor, which we generally run with Renko. The trends works beautifully with it too. And let's add on the pivots. And finally, the accumulation distribution to give us some support and resistance levels. And if we just apply that, just click OK. Let's just go back to a faster time. So we'll go down to the 1 minute. And there we are, we're on an 8 point range now when that's built. And let's just take off, let's close that down a little bit to give us some more space on the screen. And let's just reduce some of the levels on the accumulation distribution. We increase the cluster factor. We'll take that up to 100. And we'll just change these to slightly different colors. We'll change that to a red. And we'll change that to Dodger Blue, which is somewhere around here. There we go. That's that. And we'll just change it also to a dotted line. Let's put that on there. Dash. There we go. Apply. Okay. There we are. We've got some much cleaner levels now. Gives us some strong areas of support and resistance to use in conjunction with the Renko Optimiser as well. With, as I say, here we're using the standard quantum tools, but you can also apply the free indicators that come with NinjaTrader 7. And of course, the indicator is also available for NinjaTrader 8. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it on the Renko Optimiser. The indicator is very powerful. It's very simple, very intuitive, and delivers instantly the appropriate brick size for your trading across the markets. So thanks for watching. See you again soon, and bye for now.